Today's video is about script writing and the creation process and the detriment to waiting until the last minute. So what is script writing? Well, first of all, script writing is essentially formulating the language and the structure for your speech or your presentation delivery. It could be a sales pitch, an investor pitch as well, but just any type of structure that's going to meet the needs of engaging your audience, sharing your information, and winning what it is that you're attempting to win. Okay, what is the actual creation process? Well, the creation process, unfortunately, is a situation of creating the language. Okay, and this is where people get stuck because of what's called writer's block. So whenever you're having trouble with the organization, the structure, or the actual details of it, that is going to again create the detriment to postponement. A lot of my clients end up creating their script on the airplane right before they are supposed to deliver within 24 hours. I say that is a huge mistake, major human error that unfortunately a lot of us walk into because we are creating under haste, which makes waste, and then that's going to generate lack of vocal confidence, which is really what keeps me in business. So what I like to do is disrupt that cycle and help you understand that really whenever you have a script that you are trying to create, first of all, you need to start immediately whenever you know that you have the assignment. Just start sprinkling some details down every day. Really, once you go back and you sit to think about, that language that you put down in a moment of inspiration, at least you'll have started somewhere. Really, the main thing that you need to do is identify your focal point, your theme. You should be able to state it in one sentence. For example, I'm here to share my journey of this human experience with my audience of high school students. I am here to share how my company is going to best position themselves to be the best candidate to win this multi-million-dollar deal so that we can provide the best services and products and customer service for this customer experience. Those are two main themes that essentially are going to drive the details and the content of your presentation after that. You can also think about the speech and the presentation delivery process as a river. Okay, if you wait until the last minute, you are already on that river and you cannot backpedal. Okay, or you're going to have to be a very advanced speaker in order to manage when something goes wrong because you haven't really identified. Actually, if you're writing a script 24 hours in advance of the speech, you haven't identified the potentials for what can go wrong. Second of all, you need to allow yourself time for variation, which again, sprinkling down those different ideas and details that you have, it's going to sort of set what's going to work and what's not going to work ahead of time. Again, do not wait until the last minute. There are many ways to go through this process. Get assistance if you need that as well, but reach out, of course. I'd love to make more videos on these particular topics, especially about script writing and presentation delivery. All right, thanks so much. Leave comments or send emails if you have a question. Thanks.